Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's another recipe again, and today guys I'm making chicken pie. Yeah, I'm making chicken pie today and it's my first time making it. So guys, like this video, leave a comment down below and tell me how I did. So let's get right into it. For ingredients, these are the listed ingredients I'm going to use on the screen, so you can try that as well. So I'll start by creating my fillings, and I'm making use of extra virgin olive oil. So I'm going to add it to a dry pot and then add a little bit of onion, and I will fry for about 2 minutes. Yeah, for about 2 minutes, and after 2 minutes I will add my already shredded chicken breast, as you can see, and I'm going to fry for about 5 minutes, and then I will add my chopped potatoes as well and fry for another 5 minutes. So after that I will add my already grated carrots and fry for about 2 minutes, and then I will add my chicken stock to my pot. So I'm going to add my chicken stock now, and then I will also add a mixture to help my fillings be a little bit moist, and I made it with all-purpose flour and water. So I'll just leave it to cook for about 2 minutes as well. So now let's get right into creating our dough. So now I'll start with adding my all-purpose flour, my baking powder, and my nutmeg. You can use any seasoning. Then I will add a little bit of salt, and I will whisk my dry ingredients, and then I will add 3 spoons of butter, and I will mix with my hands. I will mix to create a sort of breadcrumb like filling, which is what you can see now. So I will add a little bit of milk, about half cup of milk, and a little bit of water, and then I will mix it properly to create my dough. Now guys, my dough is ready, so it's time for us to start. Using my chopping board and my rolling pin, it's time to start. So I'm going to flatten my dough to create a nice surface for my chicken pie. And for my chicken pie, I'm going to be using a rubber cup, as you can see, to create my shape. So I'm actually doing the round shape of chicken pie, not the regular rectangular shape. So now flatten it each, and then add my fillings to them. So add my fillings. So this is my nicely made moist filling for my chicken pie. So I'll add it and repeat the process again for all my chicken pie. And I actually made eight different pieces of of chicken pie. So I'm just going to use a fork to stick it together so it can stick as well. So now this is my chicken pie. I'm using an egg wash, which I made with just egg. So I'm rubbing it on the surface to create an extra shine to my chicken pie, after which I will bake for an hour. So guys, this is what my chicken pie looks like. I think I did awesomely well. So leave a comment down below, like this video, share and subscribe to my channel guys, and don't forget to try this out as well.